So I hear a lot of stuff about this amp. The Blaupunkt 4000 watt Class D amplifier, AMP4000D. Established in Germany, maybe. Made in China. However, people rave about it. It's on sale often at Wal-Mart for about $50. I got this one for $52. Came in good shape. I mean, I don't expect much from it, maybe some mid-bass. Figured I'd open it up, see what comes in this thing. And get yourself a free car charger if you want to do one of their reviews. So if you have a phone from 5 years ago, that might help you out. 10 years ago even. Comes with a manual, of course. It's going to have all the models in it, probably. It does have a troubleshooting section, which might help some people, or confuse them, really. I'm not going to flip through them all. I assume the diagrams are right. I mean, I know they sell a lot of these. So in the amp itself has a good weight to it. Gotta say that. People say, I've seen a test on Quality Mobile Video, that they get about 900 watts out of this, a little above that, but the signal looks whack to me. So I wouldn't personally wire it to one. I might wire it to one, but either way, I'll set the gains accordingly to mitigate any distortion. So check out the amp. Seems to have top plates on it. I could be wrong. Yeah. All right. I hate these like beauty plates, basically. Just stops people from seeing the wires directly plug into the amp and gives people a real headache, including myself. We have plastic knobs for the potentiometers. I wouldn't expect Tiffany RCAs on this. Of course, for this price point, $52. Has power and protect light. Obviously, you're not going to get clip indication with something like this. The other side, it has 150 amps of onboard fusing, which would make sense. Looks like we got 4 gauge over here. Looks a little undersized. That is 8 and a little oversized. So maybe if this is 4, this is 6. I don't know. Either way, it doesn't matter on this power. You don't need this for your speaker outputs. Looks nice though. Maybe, no, actually there's no reason for that. Probably just cheaper to do it all that way. Alexa, stop. I'll do my laundry when I feel like it. Alright, so that's basically it. Get your bass knob. See what this thing's about. Yeah, just a cheap bass knob. The knob feels terrible. Can't lie. It is metal, which is nice, but that can be overrated. Because if you put a crap potentiometer into a metal casing, it's still crap. It's only going to function as well as the actual variable resistor, which is what a potentiometer is. When you set your gain to your amp, if this is wide open, that's at the gain setting that you have on the amp. When you set it to 50%, you're basically limiting your output to 50% of the gain that is set on the amp. So the dial on this is proportionate to the gain that you have set here. I mean, it has a nice little phone jack connector, which is nice, and you get the you know, wire, nothing special. But for $52, I have to say, I've seen that test, the 150 amps of onboard fusing, the way it feels. I'll take this cover off later. Not the best ventilation on here, but they do have quite a few holes. If I was running this, I'd probably rise it up a little, put it on the little risers, just so it can breathe a little bit. All right, that's all I got. Just a quick little unboxing. Some kid with a new toy. Put it on my bench later and I'll give it a shot.